Hi everybody and welcome to Football Back Today channel. Yesterday was a balanced day for us. We correctly predicted 8 matches and incorrectly 6 matches. And the final day we found profit plus 0.50 units. Yesterday winning matches. Den Haag versus Utrecht. Utrecht Asian handicap minus 1.5 goals. Final time score 4-1 from Utrecht and win for us. Nantes versus Nice. Nice Asian handicap plus 0.25 goals. Final time score 2-1 from Nice and another win for us. Başakşehir versus Yeni Malatyaspor. Başakşehir Asian handicap minus 0.75 goals. Final time score 3-1 from Başakşehir and another win for us. HAMEngland versus Ajax. HAMEngland Asian handicap plus 2 goals. Final time score 2-1 from Ajax but win for us. Rostov versus Spartak Moscow. Spartak Moscow win this game. Final time score 3-2 from Spartak Moscow and another win for us. Alexandria versus Dynamo Kiev. Dynamo Kiev Asian handicap minus 0.75 goals. Final time score 2-1 from Dynamo Kiev and win half for us. Manchester United versus Brighton. Manchester United Asian handicap minus 0.75 goals. Final time score 2-1 from Manchester United and another win half for us. Marseille versus Dijon. Marseille Asian handicap minus 1 goal. Final time score 2-0 from Marseille and another win for us. Today we have some interesting matches to watch. Pisa versus Lecce. Lecce win this game. Cosenza versus Cremonese. Cremonese win this game. Reading versus Derby. Reading win this game. Nottingham Forest versus QPR. Nottingham Forest Asian handicap 0 or draw no bet. MK Dons versus Crewe. Crewe Asian handicap plus 0.25 goals. Forest Green versus Salford. Salford Asian handicap 0 or draw no bet. Halifax versus Weymouth. Halifax Asian handicap minus 1 goal. Wrexham versus Torquay. Wrexham Asian handicap 0 or draw no bet. Everton versus Crystal Palace. Crystal Palace don't lose this game or double chance. Beitar Jerusalem versus Hapoel Kfar Shaba. Hapoel Kfar Shaba don't lose this game or double chance. St. Pauli versus Brunswick. St. Pauli Asian handicap minus 0.75 goals. Auxerre versus Le Havre. Le Havre don't lose this game or double chance. Barcelona versus Real Valladolid. Barcelona Asian handicap minus 2.5 goals. Wolverhampton versus West Ham. West Ham Asian handicap 0 or draw no bet. And the final match, Moreirense versus Sporting Lisboa. Sporting Lisboa Asian handicap minus 1 goal. Main event and bet of the day for us is Wolverhampton versus West Ham. West Ham Asian handicap 0 or draw no bet. Today we hope to have as a good result as yesterday. Leave in the comments your opinions about the matches or if you have any questions. If you like our proposals, you can help us with the like and the press notification button, and you can subscribe to Football Back Today channel. After the matches, we listen music to 6ix9ine with the new single Zaza. Tomorrow we will return with the results and the new interesting matches. Thank you very much guys and enjoy the football. Game on! Come on!